in new courses, old courses still pending, and 12th standard exam also 50% completed, other 50% pending, and evaluation of the aforesaid school-based exam through centralized question paper has been completed, and already marks compilation has been uploaded in mobile app, namely Shiksha Darpan. So far marks of 95% of students have been uploaded. Sir, summer vacation scheduled 18th May we already cancelled because बहुत सारा नुकसान हो गया, इसीलिए समर वेकेशन क्लोज कर दिया, कैंसिल कर दिया. सर, that is 10 board examination completed and evaluation also we have started to maintain social distances. Sir, another one thing we have taken neighborhood class, and because lockdown is going on, neighborhood classes have been started by teachers. One teacher, 5 students. Like this, already asked all these teachers to chalu karne ke liye. And textbooks already from class 1 to 8 was almost completed. This has been done by maintaining social distances. Already there is a proposal for following a staggered timing after opening all these schools so that social distancing is maintained at any cost. Private unaided schools have been requested not to increase tuition fees. अभी आपका मीटिंग का फिनिश होने के बाद साइड रूम में हम एक मीटिंग बुलाया प्राइवेट स्कूल प्रिंसिपल को. They are waiting in the other room in the headquarters to maintaining social distance. And sir, wearing of masks of students and teachers has been made compulsory, and ये चल रहा है. सर, मिड डे मील का रुपया अभी तो बंद है, इसलिए उनको अकाउंट में, गार्जियन के अकाउंट में हम लोग थ्रू डेबिट सिस्टम बैंक में डाल दिया. Sir, government of Tripura is fully preparing to open the schools wherever MHRD advises. However, before opening the schools, ground situation will be assessed. Sir,